In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Facebook account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off go to Instagram, then go to your profile, tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. After that, at the very top, tap at Account Center and then tap at Profiles. That's where you can find all of your Facebook and Instagram accounts associated with your Meta Account Center. And first off, you need to add both of your Facebook and Instagram accounts to the profiles. If you haven't added it before, you can tap at Add Accounts, then enter your username and password. And after that, once you have added the accounts here, as you can see, I got one Facebook and two Instagram accounts, and now I can add this Facebook account to any of that Instagram account, so we can just connect them with each other. All we have to do is just get in our Facebook, then tap at Facebook account right here, and then just turn on Sync Profile Info, and then you will be able to choose with which Instagram account you would like to sync your Facebook account. After that, tap at Continue and then Sync Profile Info. After that, it says your profile info will be synced, and then if we go back here to our profiles, we can see that now there are two profiles instead of three at the previous step, and then we can see that Facebook and Instagram accounts are both now in that particular profile, which means that they have been connected to each other. That's how you can easily add Facebook account to Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.